Hi, this is Raj, CEO from Raj Hospitality Management and Raj Academy. Let me give you a few tips today about to be happy and successful in life. Very simple. What I do, let me tell you that first. When you get up in the morning, maybe while having a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, or maybe before you design your day, first of all you think that you have to tell yourself that I am amazing. Don't compare yourself with someone else. Think that you are the best. Second thing, you say that I can do anything. Don't say that only that person can do, or maybe he's a senior, or maybe he's more talented, only that person can do. Think and believe in yourself and say that I can do anything. The third thing is positivity is a choice. Don't think of negativity. Don't think that but if, never ever think such words at all. Always say that I have to do it, and that positivity has to be in you. Fourth point, I celebrate my individuality. A lot of people do not understand that word called individuality. You don't have to be someone else. You can be what you are and celebrate that. Your character, your style, everything, your elegance, everything, you have to celebrate. That individual, you should have a tag that this is this person, that you have to have a name tag for yourself. My last point was I will say that prepare to succeed. I always tell this, but don't say that, I don't know, maybe something will happen like this. Never ever do that. Always see that I know, I am prepared, I have planned, I know what I'm supposed to do, and I will know how to reach to my goal. And always prepare, that kind of success, so that you are easily going to achieve that particular goal of yours. Do not wait for a right opportunity. Many people complain that, if I would have been given an opportunity, if I would have done that, or maybe if I get an opportunity, you have to create some time. You have to create those opportunities. Stay positive even when it feels like your life's falling apart. Always I will say that, because even the worst time, the thing that when you think that everything is over, even that particular time, bounce back, get up and walk. That's what you have to do. No one actually is in charge of your happiness. No one can be in charge of your happiness. You are the right person, and you are in charge of your happiness. If you think that you want to be happy, you think that you want to do this, you think that you would like to own that, you can do it, and you can be really happy about that. My last two suggestions to you is that always smile at yourself, enjoy yourself, make yourself happy, and make others happy also. And keep in touch with the God. Always believe in Him. I'm sure that He has something special for you. So always keep in touch with the God. These few points what I always tell myself every day, and that makes me inspired, and that makes me to do my job better every day. Thank you very much. See you again.